Aren't y'all supposed to do cool stuff? That wasn't cool. He just put his leg up. Whose crumbs are these?
Itsy's.
It's
What? I didn't even...
And Kevin, there's 2 containers.
No, she ate 2 containers.
You ate 2 containers?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Oh, that was pretty cool. So YouTube, I'm gonna teach you how to fold the blanket.
No!
Teamwork, yeah, teamwork. Both of y'all. Use teamwork.
And then I'll grab the 2 out of the corner.
No, right there. Yeah, that's right. Itsy knows how. Kevin, let it. Itsy.
Grab another corner.
Itsy will give you the directions. Y'all just follow it up.
Woo!
All right, Itsy, what are we
Grab
doing?
the other corner, Kevin.
What do we do first, Itsy? Tell YouTube how to do it.
We got
Yeah.
No! You gotta make it like a little tent like this. You put it on the floor and stay.
Are we on step 2 yet?
No, Kevin, you need to grab the 2 other corners. Yeah, where are those? Dude, you gotta. Yep, it's tangled, so we're gonna have to flip one over. It's tangled. Oh, it's this. This is the corner. Dude, why is that one piece like such a line?
There you go, there you go. Now put it together, Kev.
The
There.
bottom like this.
Yeah, there we go, there we go.
Now fold it again. I'd rather do this on the floor. It's easier. Fold. Grab the piece and put it. You just restarted all over. No, I got to restart all over.
Man. YouTube, this is not how you fold a blanket.
You fold it and then you grab the bottom piece. You fold it again and then grab the other. Dad, can we just make a Fortnite video?
What about the smaller blanket? Why don't y'all try with the smaller blanket? Okay, I'll try the smaller
Now
blanket.
Itsy follows my lead. What? I know how to fold. No, follow my lead, Itsy.
Let's see if Kevin knows what he's doing.
Okay. Put it on. What? You're just gonna get this dirty. No. What do we do? What the heck? What did we do that for? Please. Oh, yeah, yes. And YouTube, that is how you fold it. Okay.
That's how you fold it?
Now can you do it my way? No. Can we just fold small towels?
And that is how you tie a knot into a blanket.
And then just straighten it out. You just do this and do this. No!